Hey guys, Big Films 39 here with my unboxing of the GameStop exclusive Zoroark pin blister. I'm giving away a lot of codes for the online game, so if you guys would be interested in those, I have a link in my description for a shopping app called Shopkick, and it's a great app. I highly recommend it to everyone, but it's completely free to download. When you walk into stores, you open up the app and you get points that you can redeem for gift cards without having to buy anything. So if you guys are interested in getting some codes, download that app and I'll send you at least 5, maybe more. And I also have other recent unboxing videos linked in the description, so check those out. The Zoroark pin blister, GameStop exclusive. This was $14.99. And I didn't actually know about it until recently when I got the Dragonite pin blister at my local GameStop, and then I found out online there was another GameStop exclusive with the Zoroark pin, and I'm trying to collect all of the pin blisters, so had to get this one, and it is a breakthrough pin blister, 3 breakthrough booster packs, which I like. I like breakthrough, so hopefully we get something good out of this. I recently opened a Mega Mewtwo Y pin blister that also had 3 breakthrough booster packs, and I got a Mega Mewtwo EX as well as a Zoroark break. So I was really happy about that, and I'm hoping that, well, you know, that's probably very rare, but since this is breakthrough, hopefully we can expect something really good. Alright, here's the Zoroark pin. Alright, and let's open up these boosters. We have a Mega Mewtwo Y and Mega Mewtwo X. Oops. Alright. Alright, Swoobat, Gagoat, Mewtwo Spirit Link, Remoraid, Teddiursa, Scatterbug, Axew, Flabebe, Reverse Hollow Rufflet, and an Abomasnow. Okay. Next pack. Let's go with the other Mega Mewtwo X. Alright. Reserve Ticket, Prinplup, Skyla, Paris, Panseer, Axew, Remoraid, Pikachu, Reverse Hollow Swablu, and Cresselia. Not a hollow. Okay. So, final pack. Let's hope for something. Alright, Quilava, Behem, Pinsir, Skiddo, Zorua, Vanillite, Flabebe, Zorua, Reverse Hollow Chatot, and Hawlucha. So pretty disappointing pin blister. We didn't get one holo or an EX, but that's how it goes sometimes. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Again, if you'd be interested in getting some free codes, download the link to Shopkick in the description and check out some of my other videos. I have a ton of recent unboxings, the Blastoise EX Red and Blue collection, the 3 new tins that just came out, and Fates Collide pin blisters, and throughout the rest of the summer I'll continue to get the new releases, whether they be the Generations Mythical Collection boxes, and I intend to get a Fates Collide booster box. But yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.